Tonight we are hearing legal arguments about why Kirk Ashton should remain in jail.
The Hilton School principal accused of sexually abusing students pleaded not guilty in court today. He's charged with 7 counts of second-degree sexual conduct against a child, 7 counts of first-degree sexual abuse, and 11 counts of endangering the welfare of a child. Kayla Green was in the courtroom today. She joins us now live from the Hall of Justice with the latest. Kayla.
Adam, Ashton appeared virtually from the Niagara County Jail, which is where he's being held. Prosecutors saying today that this investigation is still, quote, extremely active, and Ashton's lawyers saying this case is going to come down to facts and evidence.
Any violent felony shocks the conscience. Any violent felony is a serious accusation.
This from Kirk Ashton's lawyer Robert King today, after his client pleaded not guilty to 25 counts related to alleged sexual abuse against at least 11 students.
We've dealt with many violent felonies in the past. You've seen many not guilty verdicts come out of this building. It's going to be based on facts and evidence.
King requested to decrease bail from $350,000. He argued Ashton isn't a flight risk and says when trial preparation begins, he'd like to meet with his client in person more easily, as right now Ashton is at the Niagara County Jail. Prosecutor Sarah Von Strydunk argued he could be a flight risk with his community support gone. She also says Ashton's wife filed for divorce and that Ashton previously said his wife owns the house he was living in. The judge lowered bail to $250,000 cash. Von Strydunk says the case is still extremely active, and if more alleged victims come forward from Hilton or Henrietta, the county could prosecute them.
That would be a separate grand jury indictment. However, there are motions that we could consider going forward, like joining an indictment.
The judge signed orders of protection for 10 of the 11 alleged victims.
Anytime you have somebody with this amount of authority, power, and control over children and access to children, it's obviously highly concerning for the whole community.
Ashton's lawyer says he isn't sure whether his client will post bail or not, but he says he is glad the judge decreased it just a bit, something the previous 2 judges did not do. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you. Pretrial motion arguments are set for July 15th, and pretrial hearings are scheduled for August 27th.